Actually, y'all, lately I've been slacking, I ain't gonna lie. I've been editing my video because I got my piece to my car, or to my PC. But look, you know what I'm saying? My baby. Factual.
They're gonna look at you crazy.
What?
Brushing it with a brush.
Nah, for real though. But nah, I ain't gonna lie, know what I'm saying? Exactly. But I'm about to, oh, look at the bunny. But nah, I'm about to mess around and clean the car, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna put the lights on here, you feel me? Look what y'all all been waiting for. We about to put the lights on here, the Christmas lights. I got a whole bunch of the joints. Finally bought it, you know what I'm saying, the expensive generator thing and the lights, you feel me? Lights weren't expensive, but the generator was tax and waxing. Feel me? And I'm kind of scared though. I need a fire extinguisher because, you know what I'm saying, the way y'all gonna see the way it is, you know what I'm saying, how I plug it up. But I'm gonna watch the car real quick and I'm gonna tap y'all back in facts. Boom, so look, we got, you know what I'm saying, the car wash, you feel me? We gotta wait for it dry now. Once it's dry, that's when we gonna start putting lights on there, you know what I'm saying? We gonna try to figure out what we gonna do for the lights. Cause to be honest with you, it's kind of hard, you know what I'm saying, know what you're gonna do with the lights, to be honest with you. We gotta figure out how to ride them. I think about riding them like this, right? Put them in the trunk, oh, I'm stepping in water. Put them in the trunk, you know what I'm saying, have to start right here, go all the way down right here. Cause what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have it like this. I'm going like, it's gonna be covering this side like this. It's gonna go all the way like to this corner right here, you feel me? To the corner right here. So boom, you know what I'm saying, we got this kind of look crazy, cause look, we got the red lights and things.
Remember me, yo. Every time he do something on his car, it's really me doing it.
Bro, the red tape look crazy on game, but I'm gonna end up changing that probably tomorrow or something, you feel me? But no yappity, it don't look nice though, so far. At nighttime you ain't gonna be able to see it, so shit. So we got, you know what I'm saying, it look crazy on camera though. Gag look crazy on camera.
Yeah, look, almost got a sponsorship.
No. Look, it look crazy on camera though, look, don't it?
Hell yeah.
But now though, so we got like, you know what I'm saying, but we got
not even halfway.
Nah, for real though. I gotta get like 2 more bites of these bitches. I'm out here slacking with my camera, bro, but like, come on. You know what I'm saying? We getting gas right now. Factual, you feel me? I'm slacking. We went inside Walmart, cause I ain't gonna lie, we ran out of lights. We had to put more lights, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I thought 300 was gonna be good to fit around this whole thing. So when people be saying like they got like 1,000 lights on their junk, yeah, I actually believe them. No, yeah, cause you know what I'm saying. Listen, like I said, I thought 300 was gonna work just for. The thing is, I'm doing it diagonally like this. I'm going diagonal like this, diagonally. You feel me? I'm gonna stop it like right here. Listen, this is how it's gonna look. You hear me? This is setup right here too. Oh, this is setup too. I ain't gonna lie, look kind of ghetto, but don't worry about it. You know what I'm saying? Listen,
Trench made.
Worry about, you know what I'm saying? Worry about your family.
There you go.
How I look on camera?
There you
look
go.
good on camera?
Yeah, you don't even see the tape on camera, cuz.
For real?
Okay, oh, right. Look at that. Look like you got a body kit.
Nah, for real though, wide body. But nah, so we gonna finish this junk though, you know what I'm saying? We gotta go get some more lights. I think I might get 3 more boxes, I don't know. But when it's done, that's gonna be cool, fast, though, you know what I'm saying? At the Walmart, no yappity. Probably can't even see it much, but yeah, you know what I'm saying? My baby right there too, thanks. But no, man, hold up. Get the Walmart logo, you can't even see the rest. But fuck it, you know what I'm saying? We out here about to get out of here, yeah. Listen, I for surely just bought, you know what I'm saying, some Christmas lights for $20. I don't understand why Walmart don't get Apple Pay. I was sitting there looking stupid, you feel me? No cap, not knowing what to do. But I know what to do now. We got the lights, we about to see what it is, you know what I'm saying? I'm in my car like the Christmas car. Hey, don't say nothing when you see me in the Santa suit, you know what I'm saying? Riding around in the Christmas car, no cap. Yeah, that's what we gonna have to do. That's gonna be a real one day. To be honest,
take all this shit back off, man. All of it.
We gotta take it off, cause I ain't gonna lie, we gotta, bro, stupid, bro. We gotta do half and half. I ain't about to go, not going back to the store. I'm not going back to the store and about, you know what I'm saying?
I'm doing it.
Bro, I'm doing this shit too, bro. I'm not about to go back to the store and, you know what I'm saying, buy some more. So you taking the junk off, doing half and half, facts. I will go do diagonal, but that's too much. Yeah.
All right, look. You know what they say? 3rd time's a charm.
And look, I'm doing the work this time. I'm doing all the work. Mic on, make sure the mic on. You forget that shit.
Yeah, it's on.
Oh yeah, I'm doing the work.
I put the camera up to show what you.
I'm doing all the work.
What I done, you know what I'm saying?
Look what you done.
Nah, we getting it though. God. Subscribe to the channel, you know what I'm saying?
Bro, $130, you know what I'm saying, later. Bro, look at this, bitch. Look at this, bro.
We still got a big ass gap.
Well, people be saying they got 1,000 lights. They don't be playing. They be having 1,000 lights for real. But listen, I ain't gonna lie. Should've bought the lights off Amazon, because it'd have been more cheaper. $20 for 1,000 lights would've been crazier. But look, now we about to do the look. I'm gonna actually turn it on real quick for y'all. Turn it on real quick for y'all. You feel me?
Damn, look at it on camera.
Oh, look crazy. Oh yeah, that bit look nice. Yeah. Yeah. I'm about to do this last part real quick, you know what I'm saying? We about to see. This twinkle, look, I made the spoiler twinkle, you feel me? So yeah, how you feel?
Like I just did the whole thing.
Y'all seen me doing that, John Max. But nah, you about to do this, and I'm saying we about to tap y'all back in. Listen, you know what I'm saying? We got it. You know what I'm saying? It look nice. Yeah, stop playing. It look cool. You feel me? The spoiler doing that thing, you feel me? But the thing is about it, bro. The thing is about it, bro. That backside, you know what I'm saying? Bro, that backside is messed up, bro. That backside is not doing what he gotta do. That don't, look, we went inside the store, right? Came back out for it to not even be on, bro.
Right? No, it turned off as soon as we got right there.
Exactly. Like, it turned off as soon as we got out the store, bro. Damn, I'm kind of mad. And I tried to plug it up. I tried to do all types of stuff to fix it. And it's not fixing. Facts. It is not fixing. It is not fixing. Now the whole backside of the ball headed. You know, you ain't got no lights on the backside. You feel me? I ain't lie. What I might do though, I might return these joints because, bro, I ain't gonna lie. To be honest with you, these joints don't look right. No yappity. But it look good though from right here though. It look good from right here though. What is the word, man? I ain't gonna lie, no saying.
Need more lights. We need more lights, cause
Exactly, we need more, cause I ain't gonna lie.
he keep breaking shit.
He said he did all the work and he broke what we had to do. He broke what we did, so here go 140 or one
This like
150.
light kit number 10.
Okay, I bet you about to go. I ain't gonna lie. I'm going broke, so I'm returning the ones I got. So we was about to just, you know what I'm saying, take that one. You know what I'm saying? We just bought one, right? You know what I'm saying? And we had to turn it back because, you know what I'm saying, we realized that, you know what I'm saying, it was good. You feel me? So now all we need is a 100 count, and we got the 100 count right now. We about to go do that. Facts. We about to go do that right now. So this is MTV. Pit my ride. You know what I'm saying? This is my ride right here. You know what I'm saying? This is my ride right here. You feel me? On game. Like they bit, you know what I'm saying? Hard. On game.
We finally done, yo.
Exactly.
Y'all remember this shit fucked up?
No errors. I'm saying, funny thing that shit.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm out of breath. No cap. I'm out of breath. I'm a pin for it. I'm an ankle. This be deep as hell, facts. Damn, that bit deep as hell. Hold up. Oh, police. Police. They got the boys out there, bitch. Stop playing, my guy. Oh, I'm running. I'm running. Oh shit, police! Oh shit! Oh my bush! Faster than you! Oh shit! You're going!
It's still spotted.
I'm already on! I'm already knowing! But hey, police gonna blitz this bitch fast! I'm out of breath! Can't breathe! Go! How you feel?
3-9.
How the fuck did you turn on me when I scratched your back? Ride on the ride, I stole those striker with this glass up on my lap. Dark night with that makeup, I just spray until he's black. I got piece of glass and minute class, so you find out that you rat.
We lit, man. We outside. Man, I ain't gonna lie, know what I'm saying? We at the spot, know what I'm saying? Huh?
Shooting video?
You gonna be on video?
What is it?
YouTube.
What I'm be doing?
Huh?
What I'm be doing?
What you gonna be doing? I don't know. Whatever you gonna do. You feel me? But nah, though, listen. You know what I'm saying? I was running mighty, you know what I'm saying, fast. My chest hurt. Yo, police getting crazy out here. Damn.
Police right there. Over there. Damn. Man, out of all the people, they get the Hyundai? What the fuck?
For the police on the top, I mean.
Damn. Yeah. They fucked that shit up. Damn. Damn.
Look at all these officers, bro. What? I ain't gonna lie, they been crazy, okay?
Damn.
Listen, hopefully they get water free, because I'm thirsty as fuck. Mic on?
Yeah.
I got it.
Thirsty
Make
ass.
sure.
Man. The light busting in
It's
here.
like
Hold
brand
on.
new.
Let it focus. You bright.
It's like a brand new store in it, baby. You feel me? On game. All right, so look, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm saying it's a method. You feel me? Oh, gotta get some X large, not that regular large, X large. You feel me? You get that bit like this. Water free. Listen, I'm saying, appreciate it, but this is what I did. I went in there, got me a Sprite, you feel me? And I walked out. I'm like, yo, you gotta pay for water? Nah, I got you, bro. Yeah, I'm right here doing.
Regardless.
What's good? Yo.
Regardless.
So he was gonna have me regardless.
Regardless.
It's good. It's good.
Busy goblin.
I'm out of them saying, get that. And I'm saying, yo, that's it. All right, let's see.
It's bright in here.
Oh, that's what I'm gonna get. The jalapeno smoke. What up? On this one right here. Facts.
We're about to get it glizzy.
Let me see. Where the fuck the bread at?
The buns be in there.
Choose your buns. Oh, yeah. Look, when y'all get y'all bun, you gotta pick one. You gotta, know what I'm saying, feel it. You know what I'm saying? See which one you gonna get. Cause you don't want to get the wrong one and it be too hard. You feel me? This one right here is soft. So look, y'all feel it. It's soft. Come on now. So what you gotta do, right? You gotta grab one. What the fuck is this? This one I'm supposed to use to get it. Yeah, so open that bitch up. Put that bitch in your pocket. Don't let her. Spread that bitch open like this. Spread that bitch open like this. You think this one look good or the second one?
That one.
Yeah. Lay that bitch on there softly. Get you. Hold on. I ain't done yet. Where the
Condiment.
Yeah.
Over here.
You just making TikTok videos?
Yeah.
YouTube.
TikTok video. I don't want to be all in your space. I'm getting this right here. So I get cheese in, know what I'm saying? Cheese in chili.
Are you guys telling me how to make a hot
Yeah.
dog?
Yeah, I'm showing them how to make it. Because people, they be ashamed of getting
Look
hot
at the bowl.
dogs. They
What
be-
about this one?
Yeah, that's good too. But people be ashamed of getting hot dogs, you know what I'm saying? Because they call them glizzies. I don't know.
They call them what?
They say when if dudes eat hot dogs, I don't know. They just be making it like. But they be saying, I don't know. They be being weird about it. But me, I don't care. You know what I'm saying? I'm
Tell
gonna
them
get.
there's no cheese and chili. Let me get this and this.
What's this?
You gotta put the pico de gallo. Where's pico de gallo? Oh, they don't have it.
Yeah, I'm scared of that.
Oh, there's, yeah.
I'm scared of pico de gallo.
Pico de gallo is good. It's the cilantro and tomatoes and onions.
Oh, no, I don't know about that. Look. Even if somebody talking, put it in their face. You know what I'm saying? You slacking.
It tastes like beef stroganoff.
Wait, what's that?
Beef stroganoff?
Uh-huh.
Beef stroganoff is like the thick egg noodles with the big chunks of beef. And you put sour cream in it. It's like a Hungarian dish.
See, me
But I
personally,
can't, don't get me with my hood on.
yeah, me personally, all I eat is hamburgers.
Only hamburgers.
You don't like?
I do, but I've seen a documentary of how they slaughter the cows, and I know I shouldn't be doing this.
Yap. Yeah, you right though. I need to get some chili though. I said, ain't no more cheese and chili. I said, you ain't got nothing in the back that you can squeeze. You out? Oh no.
I mean, we got relish and
pickles and stuff over there though. I want to eat chili on my hot dogs. I ain't gonna lie. Dang. I appreciate it. Yeah. All right, bet. Well, I guess I'm gonna eat it without no chili. You know what I'm saying? Without nothing. So, all right. Enjoy the rest of your day, man. All right. Banana. That's how you.
I ain't gonna care. It's bright as hell in it.
And that's how you get your shit for the free. For the free. Disclaimer: I'm not sure if I spelled this right or not. I don't know. Correct me. But listen, you know what I'm saying, we do not condone nothing that you see in this video. We do not condone none of this. We went to a park and chill, and then I was going to Wawa to put air in my tire because, you know what I'm saying, that first thing happened. And then this happened. So yeah, just watch. No games, bro.
Burn the police!
Hey, bro, what the fuck is going on? Here.
Oh.
It's music and I don't want to get copyrighted, but basically we put over the side of the road because we saw the police officers coming up. What the fuck? Damn.
Yo, what the fuck? Ain't okay. You might have to do the same thing.
No, they want
They gotta go!
They better walk in.
Hell no, we. Otra vez, dilo otra vez.
Fucking locos.
Oh. Damn.
So look, basically we got blocked in. We was getting through. The other officers let us go through because I wrote at my window like, officer, you know what I'm saying? It's okay if I turn in this lane, you know what I'm saying, and go to Wawa to pay air in my tire? He said, yeah. We went to the light. Then this officer in the truck had put up in front of me, hopped out of the car, was like, turn your car off, give me your license and stuff like that. Basically, you know what I'm saying? Just doing too much. I ain't gonna lie. But it's understandable in that situation though. But kind of doing too much though. But he let her go. What's good, man? I ain't gonna lie. It's about like 2 days later. I ain't gonna lie. We finished it. Facts. We finished the whole thing. I don't know if it's a fuse I gotta check right here. It don't keep blinking. I ain't gonna lie. It just blink and blink and blink, and I need to fix that because I don't like that blinking. But listen, to be honest with you, it looked good. You know what I'm saying? We decided to add like a little sparkle on the back. You feel me? Sparkle on the back. I did have some sparkle, like we also, you know what I'm saying, it's half and half, of course. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. To be honest with y'all, I want y'all to tell me how y'all feel about this, to be honest with you, because this is my first time doing it, you know what I'm saying? And for my first time, I think I did good, factual. I got to zoom in. But yeah, this is my baby. And to be honest with you, this is going to be the end of the video. I am going to put some other videos together. I haven't been able to edit lately because of the fact that, you know what I'm saying, I don't got my my thing to plug up to my computer, but I'm going to buy another one. And I'm going to start editing. So when y'all see these videos up, then yeah. But nah, though, it's half and half, Christmas color, you feel me? Let me get a thumbnail real quick. But with that being said, I want y'all to hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Y'all enjoyed this video, you know what I'm saying? And y'all appreciate everybody that do watch this video, you know what I'm saying? Tune in for the lit video, you know what I'm saying? No cap.